Welcome to our online classes. I am Engineer Garud Pandey from RS Public School, presenting a topic of Microsoft PowerPoint. What is a Microsoft PowerPoint? Microsoft PowerPoint is a powerful tool to create presentations. Why it is called Microsoft PowerPoint? It is called Microsoft PowerPoint because it is a package of Microsoft Office. It is a package of Microsoft Office. It is developed by a US-based company, Microsoft. That is why it is called Microsoft PowerPoint. Now, what are the uses of presentation? Presentation is a way to express our ideas among others. To show something to others, we use presentation. To hold seminars, we have to use presentations, etc. Now, move to the topic presentation. Presentation is a way to express our ideas among others. A presentation concluded all the slides in a mannered way. Now move, what is a slide? Slide is a particular page in MS PowerPoint that contains information regarding the topic. Now, what is a presentation? Presentation is a collection of slides in a mannered way. That is a presentation. Now, next thing is what is the next thing? Next thing is layout of presentation. Layout of a slide. Layout of a slide. The appearance of the slide is called the layout of the slide. जो layout देखने में मेरी कैसी है वो उसका बताता है. मेरी slide देखने में कैसी लग रही है, that is called the layout of the slide. There are mainly two types of layout of slide. First one is test slide. Second one is test and content slide. In the test slide, we are restricted to write only test. केवल इस इन स्लाइड में केवल हम क्या कर सकते हैं? Only we can write test. But in the test and content slide, we can write both text as well as images, diagrams, charts, etc. as we need. So, in the test and content slide, there are 6 options. First one is table, second one is your clip art, third one is your chart, fourth one is your picture, fifth one is your diagram, and sixth one is your media clip. Our start is first. How to insert a table? So, to inserting a table, we have to just click on the insert tab. In the insert tab, click on new slide. After clicking on new slide, there are several layouts of slides. In the several layouts, we have to select the layout which is text and content type. Text and content type layout को select कर लेंगे. In the text and content type, there are 6 options and we have to click on first option, that is your table. When you click on that icon, table icon, a list, a pop-up menu appears in which two things, number of columns and number of rows are needed. So if we have to create a table, then our need is to give the column size as well as row size, which declare the size of the table. If we have total m columns and we have total n rows, then the size of the table will be m cross n, where m is the number of columns and n is the number of rows. In this manner, we can create the table. Now move to the second thing, which is clip art. Clip art are some pictures that are pre-designed in the system. So we have to just click on this clip art icon. When we click on this clip art icon, all the pictures that are presented in the system as clip art that are that are allowed to insert. If we want to paste any picture, then we have to just click on that picture, then okay. Second thing, if we doesn't need any picture on that list, and if we want some other picture that are stored in our hard drive, so in the clip art there is a option which is import given in the bottom of that menu. So you have to just click on that import icon. उस import icon पर क्या करेंगे, क्लिक कर देंगे. When you click on that import icon, there is a permission that is granted to you to open the hard drives, and in the hard drives you can select the image as you want it. Now other thing is what chart. What are charts? Charts are the diagrams that represents, graphs that represents the data in the pictorial manner. Now, how to create charts? The charts are created through MS Excel. So, if we click on that chart and MS Excel window appear on the screen, that window contains some data values, and on the basis of values the chart is created. So if there is any need to change that values, then we simply change that values, then click on OK. After changing the reflection shows in the chart. Fourth thing is how to insert a picture directly to the page. So there are 6 options. In the 6th option, select 4th option, that is for picture. When you click on this option, the area of local drive is opened for selecting the picture. You can adjust the size of the picture as you need. That is called the size of the picture. You can either increase the size or decrease the size of the picture. In this type of, there are 2 portions. First one is, here is the text portion and here is the content portion. In the text portion, the text is written on the basis of the content, and in the content portion, either we can insert either image or clip art or music clip, etc. that as we need. Now 5th thing is symbols or diagrams. So symbol and diagrams are also important thing to express something in front of anyone. Diagrams shows many more things about the topic. So there are many types of diagrams. That first one is hierarchical diagram, second one is tree based diagram, third one is spherical based diagram, etc. And these diagrams are created, these diagrams are shown in the window. If we want to insert any of diagram, we can just simply click on it. Now the last option is media clip. If we want to insert any video or audio, then we have to simply click on this media clip. When we click on this media clip, there is a permission granted to there is a permission to insert any audio or video file. If we want to add any audio or video file, then the necessary thing is you can insert how many tracks. आपको कितने song आपको add करने, and what is the time and for which time you add the song in the presentation. कितने टाइम के लिए आप presentation में add कर रहे हैं. So क्या करना है? Thing is that first one is start track and track. In the start track, we have to enter the track number, which is either 1 or 1. If we have to enter only one song, which is track 1, we have to enter 1. And in the other portion, there is a timing 00:00. Means from this time to दिस टाइम, जितने टाइम के लिए हमको लगाना है उतना टाइम हम यहाँ पर इंसर्ट कर देंगे। ये तो हो गई मेरी बेसिक। अब ये तो चीजें हमने समझ ली कि क्या होता है स्लाइड, कैसे क्या होता है, क्या चीजें, कितने टाइप के लेआउट होता है, सब चीजें सुन ली। अब थिंग आती है कि सर ये तो बता दिया, नाउ हाउ टू ओपन माइक्रोसॉफ्ट पावर पॉइंट, ये तो बताया ही नहीं कि माइक्रोसॉफ्ट पावर पॉइंट कैसे ओपन करते हैं। सो दिस इज नोन टू एवरीवन, but for some person that are not know how to open it, so you have to simply click on start button. If in that menu Microsoft PowerPoint is present, if it is present, then you have to simply click on it. If it is not present in the list, then in the search bar you can type Microsoft PowerPoint or click on all program. In the all program, go through the folder Microsoft Office, and inside the Microsoft Office there is a application which is Microsoft PowerPoint. Then you have to simply click on it to open it. Now this is the thing to open it. Now further thing is, sir, how to add a new slide in the presentation? So simply there is an option in the insert menu. In the insert menu there is an option which is new slide. You have to simply click on it to add a new slide. Now what are the views of a presentation? What are the views of a presentation? Simply a presentation views and in the normal view. Simply a presentation view in the normal. So there are many types of views, but in that types of view there are three main important view. First one is your normal view, second one is your slide sorter view, and third one is your slide show view. So consider first one, normal view. In the normal view, the slide looks like normally. That is categorized into two planes. First one is slide navigation pane and second one is window. The slide navigation pane holds all the slides in the presentation, and the window contains the slide which is opened. Now, in the further thing, if you want to select any of the slide in the presentation, then you have to go through the slide navigation pane and select the slide as you need, as you wanted. Now second thing is, what is slide sorter view? In the slide sorter view, all the slides in the presentation appear in the same window. Means all the slides looks like in this manner, and it is used when we have a presentation, we have a created presentation and we have to show the all slides when there is a need to show all the slides of presentation, then we use slide sorter view. Now last thing is slide show. What is a slide show? Slide show क्या है? To view all the slides of a presentation in full screen window, which is called slide show. Now how to start slide show? Click on this slide show option. Click on this slide show option. First one is click on this slide show option. Then there is a window, there is a panel appears in which the options like from beginning, from this slide. There are two options, from beginning and from this slide. In the from beginning tab, if we click on it, so slides from all the slides are appeared from the first slide, and we have to when we click on this from this slide, then the slides appeared from that slide which is opened. This is the slide show. Now further thing is, what is the shortcut key to add new slide? The shortcut key is Control M. What is the shortcut key to create a new presentation? Which is Control N. Third thing is, if we want to save a presentation, then what will we do? हमको क्या करना होगा? Then so we have to just click on file menu, and in the file menu there is option which is save. You have to just simply click on it and then give the file name and save it. Second thing is, you have to click on Ctrl+S. Ctrl+S key combination use करके we can also save our file. Further thing is, if we want to open any presentation which is pre-created, so we have to click on simply Ctrl+O key combination. After clicking on this operation, after clicking on this combination, a window appears that contains all the pre-designed slides. Further thing is, how to close that PowerPoint window. First thing is, click on File tab. In the File tab, there is an option that is Exit. You can simply click on it, or you can simply click on cross option that is Close Window to close it, or you can use Alt and F4 key combination to close it. The extension for Microsoft PowerPoint file is .pptx. Thank you.